My name is Laksh. Recently, I completed my GMC level. I feel very much better after completing my abacus journey. It helped me a lot in my maths calculation in school. Sometimes I do mathematical sums faster than my teacher, and my teacher says me, "How can you do this?"
Wow. So
I
that's a wow moment, na?
I tell her I learned abacus, and because of abacus only I am doing this fast calculations.
Correct.
So thank you to Seema ma'am, Sapna ma'am for teaching me and inspiring me through this journey. And so now this is my father.
Yeah.
He will tell you.
Yeah. So what are the benefits which you've seen in him?
So, from the word go, I think me and my wife were clear about it that he has to learn the abacus. So there was no second thought of what we have to do. So we got him admitted, and for the past 4 or 5 years or so, it has been a very very good learning experience for Laksh. And he has been attentive, disciplined, going to classes, doing his calculations in a meticulous way, as he has been taught by Seema ma'am, Swapna ma'am. It's been a good experience, and I agree. It was my decision also, because I through and through wanted him to at least go to some IIT, because I've told him that I'm not going to fund his education if he's not going to go in IIT. So that is why we thought we should get him some basic calculations of mathematics, because in IITs they will give the questions about mathematics. So I'm very happy whatever has happened as of now. And I hope he will continue to do the good work like he has been doing for the past 4 years, and he'll rise in his life, and he'll make his teachers, his parents proud. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, and congratulations, Laksh. All the very best to you, and stay in touch. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.